Never pass for a perfect bride or a perfect daughter. Can it be I'm the man to play this part? Now I see if I were truly to be myself, I would break my family's apart. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Why is my reflection show who I am inside? When will my reflection show who I am inside?
Ang daming distraction eh.
Bow.